Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla.
Mr. Andrew, come here. Come here. You're in administration. Come right over here, so let me fix it here good. So don't right in front of me. Yeah man, right? So you and your administration, because I want to talk to you a little bit, you know. I'm not here for disrespect, I'm just make that clear. And I will never do such thing. I'm not disrespect people on our world. No matter your position in your class. When I make decision them, think about the lower class of people them where actually can't afford certain things. Because we can't really understand why in the even if you say in the middle of the pandemic, because we don't know when this thing go down, we don't raise up a toll power. Flour gone up. Something where they in basically everything where everybody cook or eat. So a toll raise just after the bread gone. You know, say one loaf of bread for $450. You didn't know that? So you can't even use a nanny right now buy a loaf of bread and something else back at it. You just have to buy the loaf of bread alone. Or just go back to way back in the days if you go buy a quarter bread or half a bread in a paper bag. No forward, no so no want go. So how no go back way in a life, brother? Me not understand that something. Me can't understand. You know say you have people in Jamaica where get like $8,000 a week for them pay. And then I talk about my Africa Monday to Saturday. You know what I want to do to you and your administration. Yeah, your team where I make the money for decision. You know what I want to do to Uno? I want to put Uno down at the same place on the call the ghetto / garrison with that same $8,000 for 1 week. And see how Uno survive. You know when I start it on a Friday night. I want to give you 2 hungry belly pitney. Not even get 3 or 4 of them. I get 2 hungry pitney, one 3-year-old one and one 10-year-old one. And you alone as a single father. And for the woman in the administration, them alone as a single mother. And I have to find the little piece of fry whatever them forget the pit in the Friday night. And the Saturday the boil a nice pot of soup and something. And then the Sunday I have to find the rice and peas and the whatever. I understand on Monday morning I have to go work out of that $3,000. You know what I want to catch you to? I want to give you a gas pan. A gas where I got done pan the Sunday. You have to find money for buy back. And I want to put you in one partner too. Just to try to survive and say, oh, you live on that $8,000. But go back and work for the other week. You don't know think about raising people pay. In that this year 2021, we're not going to raise pay. We're not going to raise bus fare now. Now, what if you find $150 from now for left from Spanish Town now if you come out? Never, if you come out half a tree. And the cost of man then done a kilo already. I take $150 for if you come out half a tree already. How we are going to manage? And then curfew start 6 o'clock and me left work 7 o'clock. Oh, me reach.
And a real enough viewers and subscribers. The person you see in the video that I just presented to you, he made some strong points. He made some good points. Until some of the leaders within the country of Jamaica live some of the life that poor people live within the country of Jamaica, they can never truly understand some of the things that some of the people within the country of Jamaica go through. Me hear about food, gas, taxi and bus fare raised within the country of Jamaica, and it's a long time. Many years a minimum wage increase within the country of Jamaica. And I only hope so that minimum wage don't increase with such a small percentage like the last set of times that minimum wage increased within the country of Jamaica. You know? I hope so. And I bash me, I try bash no one. I'm not try to disrespect no one. I'm not try attack no one. No, but I would like to see things balance within the country of Jamaica. Would I like if you can live in a country of Jamaica and hear people from other different countries worldwide say that Jamaica is the best place to work and to raise a family. Would I love to live to see that day. And I really love viewers and subscribers. I'm going to ask you this. You really think so that some of the politicians within the country of Jamaica could survive living in a ghetto somewhere within the country of Jamaica with only $8,000 for a week? Do you think so? I just hope that minimum wage will increase within the country of Jamaica soon enough, and enough that it can bring some form of comfort to citizens within the country of Jamaica. See? Anyways, Let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, and big up and respect to the person shown in the video that I just presented to you. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I want to send shout outs to two persons who goes by the name of Rodney and Yolande. Rodney and Yolande, big up on yourself. Is it? Yeah, big up on yourself. Viewers and subscribers, I want to go and check out Rodney and Yolande TV on YouTube channel. Yeah, go and check it out, alright? And here's a video from Rodney.
What's up, Dancehall Skilla? Check, Dancehall Skilla. You don't know, so this is Rodney White, Creative Arts TV, and Rodney on Yolande TV, representing for Dancehall Skilla.
Alright, Rodney, big up yourself, Rodney, big up yourself, you see? And I want to send a shout out to a person who goes by the name of Brick Boss Routine on YouTube. Yeah, Brick Boss Routine, big up yourself. Viewers and subscribers, I would like you to check out Brick Boss Routine YouTube channel as well, is it? Yeah, Brick Boss Routine, big up yourself, alright? Now, I have one more video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. And the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a Jamaican actor and comedian who goes by the name of Oliver Samuels, along with other persons at the graveside of a Jamaican actor and comedian who died, who goes by the name of Volire Johnson. Some people might know Volire Johnson as Maffy, you see? Now Maffy passed away sometime within the year 2021, and the video that I'm about to present to you had been recorded sometime within the month of August, the year 2021, somewhere within the country of Jamaica. In the video, Oliver Samuels talked about Volire Johnson, while persons can be seen in the video listening to the things that he said. And our real viewers and subscribers, the video is somewhat touching, but with some comedy in the video because of some things that Oliver Samuels said, alright? Anyways, here's the video, take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what I think.
Volire, me and Volire trod. Me and Volire dream together. Me and Volire sit down in a bar and we drink and we play one-arm bandit. And one night it looked like the machine and I work out every drop per drop so we win money. And when me get filled because we have a come, me say, Pooh, come make we leave. He said, no man, that money I drop. Me say, me not time because said, me no want the bartender to realize say sit now work and then go call people and beat with. And me say, Volire would have never left. I come out, me have to come out and go on bad. And me say, me go tell the woman say we are thief for money. And then left and we walked miles, Volire, myself and Teddy Price. We sit on Pantoum Anglican church in a 3 day and we dream dreams. And when we get to the money, every time we take a oath, say anybody get a commercial money first. We have to go near my food outside. And every time any one of us, Teddy, me and Volire get the money, we call one another and we head straight to Papi up a Lantern. Lantern restaurant, me no know none. Ono their country. Anybody know a Lantern? Yes. And we go there and I steady reminded us, Volire say, we not name pan nothing but white tablecloth because he make we look rich. So I have fond memories of him and I have had the great pleasure of watching and being involved in his children's life as they grow. He also in my children's life. So my brother, my friend, Gala, and watch out. Save a roll for me. Because me and you are going to rub it up there. Not down there, up there.
Yeah, that's right.
Oliver Samuels, one of the greatest actor and comedian within the country of Jamaica. Yeah. Big up Oliver Samuels. See? Yeah. Volire Johnson, he surely will be missed, you know? Maffy. See? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. You can let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. You know, big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch. Dancehall Skilla. hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.